We're the team behind Feedr, an application that revolutionizes the donation of leftover food to charitable organizations. Over $160 billion worth of food is wasted annually in the United States.
Despite admirable efforts by various charitable organizations and government-funded programs, homelessness clearly continues to run rampant. We noticed that although local government and private sector involvement has made vast strides toward the eventual elimination of the problem, the true issue lies in the apathy of the general public.
We built Feedr, an app that facilitates the donation of leftover food to participating food banks, pantries, and shelters. The app's purpose is twofold. First, it serves to mitigate the homeless epidemic. Second, it provides an outlet for all of our leftover food. Rather than wasting what we don't consume, we can put it towards solving a problem that desperately needs the attention of the general public.
The Feedr app consists of a front-end mobile application and a back-end database. We utilized Google's Firebase to aggregate data, store user information, and carry out requests to the front end. The client is coded in Swift 4 and Xcode and consists of both the user and organization interface. The user interface shows all of the organizations around them and allows them to enter items to donate, while the organization interface shows the donation requests from users and the organization's donation history.
Rithik, who's acting as a charitable organization, opens the Feedr app and chooses to sign up as a new organization. He's then prompted to fill out the sign up page to complete his registration. After signing up, he's taken to the home page of the app. As he just registered, there are no current donations, nor does he have any donation history. Ani just had a party last night and has some leftovers he wants to donate, so he logs into Feedr. All of the organizations that have signed up near him are presented in a nice map. Ani then presses donate, which automatically finds the nearest organization to him and prompts him to add what leftovers he has. He sends this list to the organization and awaits a response. Rithik receives a notification that he has a donation request. By clicking on Ani's name, he can see the items he has to donate. By clicking on items, Rithik can select which ones he wants to be donated and sends the revised list to Ani. Looks like he doesn't want tomato soup today. Now whenever he clicks on Ani's name, it asks for a confirmation of the transaction. Ani is notified that Rithik has revised his list and that he's ready to donate. After looking over the revisions, Ani can press the Start Driving button, which opens up Apple Maps with the route details already filled out. After receiving the food from Ani, Rithik opens up Feedr and confirms the transaction. Ani is removed from the current donations list and is moved to past donations. By clicking on his name, Rithik can see what he donated.
With Feedr, we hope to focus public attention on the issue of homelessness, especially what each individual person can do to help. This app helps organizations such as food banks alleviate the struggles.
Reliance on the government and charitable organizations perpetuates public indifference. It's time that people took charge of the issue. We need to be more mindful of our wasteful ways and realize that no food should be left behind.